record the class and okay, Gabby, so you can start with your presentation now.
Okay, let me check.
Of course, take your time, no problem.
It's okay. Did you see my desk?
No, now. Not yet.
No yet?
No. Okay, now. Yes.
Okay, this thing now, okay. Okay, the chapter that I present is Liam Productions and Quality Management. When we know in this chapter, we're gonna check these points, analyze the importance of Liam production to competitive business, evaluate the main Liam productions techniques, explain the concept of quality, understand the difference between quality control and quality assurance, explains the importance of business establish quality assurance systems, evaluate the effectiveness of total quality management, assess the cost and the benefits of marginal quality, and explain how managing quality efficiently can improve the competitiveness of business. For the introductions, I'm gonna present the case that we have in the book. Is the trampling of Liam Productions. In these readings, we gonna show they show us how Toyota applies the Liam Productions management at Toyota Giant Assembling Plant in Kentucky, USA. Some of the different factors that the Liam production system gives an advantage to Toyota over their competitors are the following. In this case, they told that he gonna try a lot times the seat belt for the security. So that's put competitive characteristics in the car, because the other marks, they don't do that. And using workers to solve work problems, the company can produce car more cheaply and to higher qualities. that I said before.
Okay.
The other point is just-in-time deliveries. Production chains are flexible and consumer needs can be met more closely. Faster reactions to change. Developing of brand new models in less time. What is lean productions? Producing goods and service with the minimum of waste resources while maintaining high qualities. The overall objective of this production method is reduce quality outputs with few resources, that is less waste and less duplication. Lean means cutting of any time in the production process that adds complexity, cost, and time, and do not add value to the customers. The 7 main resources of waste in industrial have been identified as excessive transportations. So I put that graphic that I found in internet that they have the 7 waste. So did you see the one way is excessive transportations. Another waste is stock holding, excessive stock holding. Too much movement by working people, waiting and delays, overproductions, overprocessing, and defects. Simultaneous engineering. Production development is organized so that different stages are done at the same time instead of in sequences. That its method of developing new products by ensuring that essential design, market research, costing, and engineer taste are done at the same time, simultaneous, not one after the other, sequentiality. So we have a problem because if the competitors launch their new products early, that the company that do the simultaneous engineering, so maybe the competitors sold more products than the company that do this method. And the advantage is the new products can be in the marketplace early than with sequential methods. Cell productions. if you see this graphic is the resumes that that what it sell productions.
Okay.
Putting in components, machines or components and quality checks. Then is major sub-assemblies and quality checks. And then is final assembling, checking, and packing. And this is the finished goods. The splitting flow production into self-containers groups that are responsible for wool works units. The self-production system as lead to significant improvements.
Gabby, can you present one more time your screen? Your screen disappeared.
My screen disappeared.
Yes, please.
And now did you see or not?
No, I don't
okay.
see it.
Let me see.
Yes, please. Yes.
Now did you see?
Yes.
Okay. So I tell that this graphic is the resume that what it sell productions. If you see voting in components, they have machines or component and quality checks. Then is major sub-assemblies and quality checks. Then continue to final assembling, checking, and package. And we finish the good. So
that's the component of the cell production, no?
Yes, that's the component of cell production. Splitting flow productions into self-container groups that are responsible for wall works unit. The cell production system has led to significant improvements in workers' commitment and motivation. Job rotations within cell increase productivity. Success of cell production depends on a well-trained and multi-skilled workforce, prepaid and available to flexible and accept a more responsibility system of working. So that it's very important that the workers have a compromise. ¿Cómo se dice compromiso?
Compromise.
Compromise to this method. In this part, I put, if you see, I put the example of the iPhones.
Okay.
Because this method it's flexible. The change for the the consumers adaptable. The change consumers adaptable. That's why I put the iPhones, because the evolutions, it's adaptable for the time.
Okay.
Okay.
It's depending about the time and the necessity that the people has, no?
Yeah, I know. Yes. That's why I put my favorite example.
Okay, great. It's my favorite example too, so that's good.
Yeah. So the flexible specialism is the land productions recognize the both technology advance and changing consumer taste can learn to very short productions runs. We have three important changes: is environment, contact, machines, and workers. And the benefits, it's quicker response to consumer demands change, wide rates of productions offered, reduce stock, and higher productivity. Kaizen, it's a Japanese term meaning continuous improvement. All workers have something to contribute to improving the way their business operates and the way the product is made. A series of small improvements suggested by staff teams can, over time, amount to a big an improvement in efficiently as a major new investment. I put this because I think it's agree with the crazy. The practice, the philosophy of continuous improvement get a little bit between every single day. Why I put that? Because I understand the crazy. It's like the method they need do step by step.
Okay. Everyday improvement, no?
Yeah. The limitations to the Kaizen approach, we have 4. Some changes cannot be introduced gradually and may need a radical and expressive solutions. There may be very real assistance from senior management to such as program due to their existing culture. In the short term, there may be tangible cost to the business. The most important advantage term to be made early on during the Kaizen programs. Later change can be less significant. The advantage of land productions is a waste of time and resource. It substantially reduce or eliminate. And costs are reduced, leaving the higher profits. Working areas is less crowded and easy to operate in. There is less risk of demand to stock and equipment, and new products launched more quality. They can not be sustainable when a business have a real difficult in forecast demand. Producing process are very expensive that start up after a break in productions. Firms use it as device for marking extensive redundancy. Business depends on consumers' service as their unique selling propositor and substantial cost of new technology. So you can sustainable this. This is my part. You have any questions?
Okay, so you finished with the main advantages of the lead production, no?
Yes.
Yeah, all right. Well, it is supposed that Claudia has to continue with the rest of the presentation, but she's not in class and she was not in class the last time, so that's fine. As part of the presentation that we have to do today, we have to continue with the part. No, lean production is here, so you have the revision mind map. You have the revision case study. This revision case study is gonna be open until tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. The same thing, please. Here is the PowerPoint presentation. So if you can upload your presentation, I'll be very thankful.
I already upload, Daniel.
It's already here. Okay, great, excellent. And now we have the evaluation of the unit number 24, which is this one, no? So the evaluation I'm going to put here in this moment, and you will have until 9 o'clock to complete the evaluation. In this case, because you presented, you don't have to do the evaluation. So this evaluation is going to be for Sebastian, for Charlotte, for Claudia, because she didn't present, and for Martin. All right?
Okay.
So they have to make the presentation. But the revision case study, which can be the revision case study number 1 or number 2. We have 2 revision case studies at the end of the chapter.
I already looked the case study yesterday.
Okay, so great. So so the case studies are going to be open today until tomorrow. So the deadline is for tomorrow until 7 o'clock, which is the time that we start classes tomorrow, and you can upload the revision case study. Okay, so I don't have any questions for you, Gabi. The presentation was very clear, and thank you very much for your presentation. So this video I'm going to upload in the virtual classroom, so for the rest of the students, they can check later on. And I repeat again, no, the revision case study is going to be open until tomorrow 7 o'clock, and the evaluation is going to be open until tonight at 10 o'clock.
At 10 o'clock, okay.
Yes.
I'm gonna tell the guys in the chat.
Okay, great. Okay. Thank you so much, Gabi. So I will see you tomorrow in class, and tomorrow is going to be time for Sebastian and for Martin to make the presentation about unit number 25, which the name is going to be Project Management. All right?
All right.
Okay, Gabi, so thank you very much, and I will see you tomorrow.
Okay, thank you, Daniel.
Bye bye, Gabby. Thank you so much.
Tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.